Okay, so this is your image test that you posted, and this code down here is an example of the live data that goes on with the actual page itself. So basically, if I resize, if I make the browser bigger, you can see that these areas that are highlighted here is what's changing in the code. So what it's doing is you can see that, like as an example here, width 1032. So that's the actual width of this container right now. But when I make the page larger, it allows that image to go, wider, which that's what it's doing. It says now width 1242 right here. And I'll make it a little smaller, 1217 there. But if you go a little further on the code, you can see how it says JPEG format equals 1500 wide. So that's your maximum width that photo is going to display. So if you have an image that's larger than that, it's still always going to display at 1500 wide. That's the maximum width. I can go like smaller here. Yeah, there we go. So I went smaller now, and it's saying, go ahead and load a 750 wide example. I go a little larger, saying, I guess that's probably from the last one. There's 750. Let's see if we can make it pop to 1,000. There's 1,000. So what it's doing is it's literally pulling in the next step of that actual photo. And I can actually view this image now. And it's going to be hard to see. Here we go. So this image right now, the format on that image is 1,000 wide. And I can come over here and make this, 1,500 wide, or I can make this 2,500 wide. And it's going to display that image, but the system will never load anything that large. So that's the concern. So that's kind of where I was saying that you really want to kind of stick to that 1,500 wide max, and then you can kind of go from there. But anyway, when I'm cycling through kind of the examples you have on, well, I mean, you have fantastic photography, by the way, but like on the size tests, 1,500, 25. They're the same in this mode. I mean, they appear to be the same. But if I make my monitor taller, well, I guess they're still the same there. So I mean, I think it's just limiting the quality of the photo and everything. I mean, I don't see a higher quality. Yes, it's loading in that larger image, but it's still sampling it at the smaller size. So